So first, in what is the auto correlation means, we can do for the automatically. Manual correlation means we can using for the manually, we done for manual correlation, right? So auto correlation process means we need to identify the dynamic value, and you can select all the dynamic value. What is the dynamic value? And click on right button and select for the correlate selection. And after that, we are able to see that this is the dynamical, this is the user section. Then you can click on details. And once you can click on details, we are able to see you can observe, this is the type nothing but we need to select for the boundary based or regular expression, and we need to select. So you are doing for the boundary based means you can select for the boundary base, then automatically boundaries will be selected here. You can observe left boundary this or right boundary this is picked. So when you are doing for the auto correlation, right, you need to give for the proper boundaries. You need to go how you are doing manually. So same way you can do it for here auto correlation also. So you can do for the auto correlation also, no problem in script. But what you need to do means you need to give for the proper left boundary, right boundary. See, now you can observe here we need to give for the up to user section value is equal to is fine, but here it is coming from the entire value. Okay, that is fine. And after that you can observe here only double colon and the slash n is there. So this will be, if you want means you can keep for the everything will be same. Otherwise, no need for that. See, this is the no need right table border, and so up to this you want, you can keep this. Okay. So now this is the left right boundary, this is the right boundary. See, based on this I took this. Okay. So then if you changes happen means you need to click on apply only, then it will be, this boundary will be changed. If you not click on apply, then it will not change. So that is why you need to click on apply. So it is applied. Now you can do for the auto correlation means here is a correlate button. So you want to do for the correlate means you can click on correlate button. Automatically correlation will be happen. See, you can done the correlation, auto correlation. Now you can go and check for the function it is generated or not. Now no need to check for the where to write the function, and nothing will be, you need to select, everything will be done, but it is displaying correlation comment automatic rules, and this is the original value, and we are take for the, see, this is the function will be, this is the different. Last time what is the function we are used for the manual? Web break save param. But you are doing for the auto correlation, which function it is generated? Web break save param ex. So both will be also same only, but what is the difference means we are not given some parameter name is equal to some value, we are not assigned, only directly we are assigning for the some parameter name like user section or departure city, arrival city. But here you need to give for the like this parameter name is equal to this, and LB common, RB common, and this is the search filter. And already yesterday I told, right, we are writing for the search button for the body and header purpose, but here it is coming from the scope. Okay, the different will be that. Okay, but everything will be same. Now you can observe automatically replace also automatically happen. See, you can observe user section. So now you can save it and execute. It will pass or fail, you can check.
In yesterday session, like how we can identify for the search argument is a header and body.
Yeah, in that class only I explained, right, like where you want to particular
yes,
to go to that request and select for the snapshot view, and go to that snapshot view, you are able to see the headers and body.
We need to see the parameter name is in header side or body side.
But not parameter name, dynamic value. We need to see the dynamic value.
Dynamic value.
Yeah, dynamic value. So you need to identify if it is a body in dynamic value. So if you want means you can give for the search is equal to body. Maybe sometimes what will happen means the dynamic value happen in the header also. So then what you need to do, you need to give for the in header place, you can give for the scope is equal to or search is equal to header, you can give. But if you not given anything also in that function, by default it will pick from the body.
Okay.
See, now we'll observe, I think is 5 iterations, it will be there. Okay, whatever, no problem, but we are done for correlation or not, we need check. See, user section is completed. See, is user section substitution, this one, and you can go up, it will be saving parameter user section. So auto correlation also we are got for this one. So, and the same way you can do for the all values for the auto correlation also. Okay, see, it's the auto correlation will be, some companies will be accept, some company will be not accept. So that is why don't depends on the auto correlation. Just you know the process, then it's good. Maybe sometimes you are unable to finding the boundaries, you can do it and take for these boundaries, and where you are writing function also you need to identify this one, and you can do for the manual correlation only. That is a good thing, because so all companies not accept for the auto correlation, but nowadays some companies using, that is why I'm explaining this one. And we can do for the one more auto correlation, I will explain for this. I'm doing for the departure city. How we are doing, we are select for the dynamic value, and select for the, click on the correlate selection, right button click on and select for the correlate selection. See, this is the dynamic value, click on details. You can observe option value is equal Franken and option. So it is automatically, you need to select for the type also. You can select a boundary base. See, you can observe option value is equal to it taken, and you can observe is the dynamic value also it is capturing. So we don't want that one, right? You can delete further. So this is the very important while doing for the auto correlation. Like it is a picking correct boundaries or not, you need checks, because you're able to hear, seeing here, right? So that is why you can take for the only double colon slash, it will be there, you can take that one. Okay, after that you can click on apply, and now you can do for correlation, means this is the correlate, already you are selected. So click on correlate, automatically correlate it happen. See, it is a correlation happen. You can go there and check for the where it is happen. See, you can observe web break say from ex, parameter name LB and RB, and scope is equal to body, it's came. Now you can execute. Wait 1 minute, it will be there 5 iteration, no need for now. So yesterday assignment I given, right? Suraj, you done? See, now
Not yet, Anna. We'll do it today.
okay, please do it, because so
Okay.
correlation only very important concept. Okay, you need to
Okay.
complete that. Okay, see, you can observe departure is equal Franken escape. So like this, what are the values you have in your script, you can do for the auto correlation also, you can do. So, and same way you can do for the manual correlation also, you can do it. One more process for using for these functions only. Like if, for example, you are doing for the Paris, right? So first you need to identify the boundaries. You can observe same boundaries, it will come, right? So I am taking this, copy and paste it, Control C, and in Notepad I will keep it. So you know, right, how to found the boundaries. So again I am not doing, just I am taking this, and now we can do for the manual correlation. So manual correlation also, how to we can do means, see, for example, where we want to write the function, we know, right? We want to write for the function here only for Eru city. So you can go to the view. In the here we can see the set step toolbox. Everyone able to see step toolbox? You can select for the step toolbox, and after that you are able to see the all functions here. So now which function you want, you need select, like web underscore reg underscore save underscore. You can observe these all will be functions will be web break, save param is there, ex also there. So now we are doing for the break param ex also manually. How to we can do means you can click on this. See, this is the parameter name you can give for the arrive city means parameter name you are given, and you need to give for the boundaries. You can give for the left boundary and right boundary. Already we copied, right? You can give for the boundary, only boundary value you can give boundary, left boundary. Okay, now don't give for the slash here. Okay, how it is picking from the boundaries, you can take same boundaries. So this is the boundary, right? You can take this and control V. And after that, you can observe we have the ordinal will be there. If you want to give ordinal, we can give a save offset also will be there. Save length also will be there. So you can give for these details and click on OK. Automatically the function will be generated. See where your cursor is blinked, there only it is that function will be generated. So I keep the cursor here 73 line. So you can click on OK. See the function will be generated. See parameter name, LB, RB and search filter last. So means maybe you are doing for the manual correlation, you can do for this way also, we can do it. Got it everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have the functions. These are all functions for the correlation functions. Mostly we are using for the web break param, and as same to the current version web break param will be actually decrypted. Actually they are not using, for everyone is not using. Maximum people using right now is a web break param ex function. So that is why you guys also practice with this as a manual also. Web break param you need to write manual also, we can write. How to can write parameter name is equal to LB is equal to and RB and search filter last. Okay, if you give for the scope means you can give for the scope also, we can give that will be boundary or whatever maybe you can give for the that scope. Manually also we can add, we want means you can add for the manual. Scope is equal to body. So like this you can add this and you can execute. But you can observe when you are doing manual correlation, right? It is not replaced. So you need to replace with that parameter name. Array city. You can replace with that name. Okay, now we'll execute. So correlation we can do many ways, but process will be manual correlation is important. Maybe what is that error? Scope is equal to body argument is unrecognized misplaced. See, you need to, by seeing the error also, you need to identify the issue. See, for example, what is this error? The scope is there, right? The body argument number 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is showing for that this is the, okay, go up here. So here will be, we will be write in wrong place. So it is that is why unrecognized or misplaced it is showing. So that is why you can give for the scope is equal to where it is we are given after that, right? Anything syntax is wrong, scope is equal to body. Okay, we need to give for the search filters, it is came or not here. After search filter we need to give this, so you can control X. See, by seeing the error also you need to identify the what is the issue. And as same to when you are doing the scripting, right, this is also most important. See, if you are given in script any by mistake comma or anywhere by mistakenly done, the script parsing will be failed. You are unable to find the where it is there, that issue. So that is a very difficult. So that is why every time when you are doing for the script enhancements, you need to check for the every time the script parsing is succeeded or not, you need to check. Okay, So now we'll execute again. Because after search filter only we need to give for the, it is a scope, body or anything. Okay, again we got error. That is the, okay, no problem. This will be no match found error. No match found error. Why we are getting means maybe boundaries will be mismatched. So that is why you are getting for this error. See, okay, here automatically we are given and automatically also came. So we can remove this. And down also you can observe. Two double colons, why it is came here. So this is the syntax. Okay. See, now our script will be passed. Now we can check for the departures, it is picked or not, we can check. See, city is picked. And you are replaced, right? This is only parameter substitution, replace with the this value. So like this you can do for the manually, we can do it, and auto correlation also we can do it. Okay, and as simple one more we have function web break separum we know, and web break separum ex we know, and web break separum regular expression also we have. So first we'll do for the one auto correlation, then you know the how to we are doing for the regular expression also. So again I am doing for the auto correlation for this, and I'm selecting and click on right button, correlate selection, and you can click on details, and you can observe here we have the boundary based regular expression is there. I select for the regular expression. Now you can observe here. So this is the our dynamic value. This is the left boundary. This is the right boundary. Now you can observe name is equal to outbound flight value up to this left. After that, dynamic value place when you are selecting for the regular expression, it is a bracket open dot star question mark and bracket to close, and after that RB. For example, I will show in notepad. Okay, you can observe. For example, some users session value equal to, and after that this is the dynamic value assume. Okay, and after that dynamic value, so this is the our dynamic value. Now we need to write for the regular expression means reg exp, regular expression nothing but reg exp is equal to, we need to give for the LB. What is the LB? This is the up to this LB. You can copy and paste it here, and after LB, so this is the dynamic value. So in dynamic value place, you need to give for the dot star question mark and pass it for the RB. If you have RB, you can pass it. If you don't have RB also, in regular action point of view, no need to place the RB. If you don't have, so if you have, you can pass it. So you can give for the regular expression like this. So user section value is equal. So why we are giving bracket dot star question mark means, so in this dynamic value place, maybe it is a digits or alphanumeric or special characters or anything. If it change also, automatically it will change. So no need to worry about that. So that is why we are doing for the regular expression. Got it, everyone? So you can observe here. We are doing this one, right? Okay, click on, and we can do for the correlate, and it is done. Then click on this and come to here, and you can see where it is done auto correlation. See, this is the web break separum. So you can observe function name. What is this? Web break separum reg exp, and parameter name. This is the parameter name, and we can observe here we are giving for the previous LB RB, but here we need to give for the syntax reg exp and this is up to this onwards will be up to this will be left boundary. And after that, dynamic value plus we are keeping from the dot star question mark in bracket. And after that, this is the right boundary. Okay. So see this 142 no need. Okay. Now you can save this and you can execute. See, we got error. Invalid regular expression. What it came, we can keep same. Will change in. So if you want change means you can go to the design studio. Click on see in design, we have the design studio will be there, and you can go there and select for the your what is the correlation you done. This is the right outbound flight value. Click on details and you can observe here. So you want delete this means you can delete here only, not there. Okay.
If we delete here, it will automatically delete in the script also.
Yeah, you see, you can undo correlation. I'm doing for the undo. Undo means I'm removing the correlation.
Changes.
So again, if you want change means you can undo, and we have to do the auto correlation. Like you can select for the regular expression, and you need to delete it. Why this? Some function of this. See again, we can do it. Again, we'll select. See, it is automatically replace value also gone. Again, replace and correlate selection and details and select for the regular expression, because that is the 142 also. What is that value? Actually, that is also our dynamic value, right? So that is why I'm removing that.
Okay.
It's not
Correlate.
yeah. So click on correlate and go there and execute again. See it outbound flight, it automatically done. So you guys will be able to understand, right? You can do for the auto correlation, manual correlation function. We can do for the regular expression also. You can do for the manual correlation, because you need to give for the function name regular expression. Oh, you got error. What is that error? No match found error. Oh, again, it not changed. Huh? Invalid regular expression. Something is wrong. So nothing. Parameter name outbound regular expression outbound flight. So you can select for the correct boundaries, then only it will work your script. Otherwise, it will fail automatic. See, now your script will be pass with using for the which function? Regular expression. So you can observe. See, outbound flight value is equal. This is the regular expression. Through regular expression, we are done for the auto correlation. So manually also we can do means you can write for same function. You can write for the same way. How we are doing for the manual correlation, like where we want to write the function point of view, you need to write the function like this: web break say param ex and parameter name is equal reg exp is equal. You need to give for the left boundary and dynamic value place dot star question mark and right boundary, and search filter scope is called body. You can give this and click on last. Otherwise, you can click on here also. You can click on here, then it will ask for the parameter name, and you can give for the regular expression. Regular expression nothing but LB and dash star question mark and RB. And if you want ordinal means you can pass it ordinal, and if you don't want anything means you can close it. And if you want to give for this is also we have see scope. You can select a body or header or cookies. You can select all, then automatically what will happen? It will be there in header, it will be there in body, or it will there any cookies. Automatically the dynamic value will be pick. Okay, and click on okay, then automatically this function will be generated. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
So it's clear, right? Auto correlation also we can do for the how we are doing auto correlation. We can do for the manual correlation also. Okay. So yesterday I given one assignment, Sravanti, you also do that one. You can do for the one
When
script. I am giving for the everyone. I want to for the one script for the web tour script. You need to record and do for the one is the manual correlation, and one is for the auto correlation. One is for the through here. You can click on the web break say from EX. You can do it for the all. And try web break say from EX also, your reg exp also, your understand point of view. And as same to yesterday I given one assignment. I will 1 minute open
like pest
store.com.
something pest store, but when you
Yeah.
explained it, the screen is not displaying in the recording. I don't know whether
Okay.
they.
Okay. Now you are able to record a scene, right?
Yeah.
So this is the Pestor application. This is the launch. You are able to see this screen. And after that, you can click on login button, sign in button. Okay. And after that, you need to give for the your password and username. Both will be same, J2EE. Okay.
Okay.
J2EE. And password also same, J2EE. And click on login. After login, you need to click these all available pets. So you can select any one of the pet, no problem. Anyone is fine. Select that, and these are the different type of products from the dog. You can select any one of the product, and after that, click on add to cart and proceed to checkout, and give for the details of this. Okay, payment details, and click on continue, and you need to confirm the details. Once confirm, click on confirm. See, it is a pet is booked. So after that, return to main page and click on sign out. So this is the business flow. You need to record and do for the correlation. First, you can try in manual correlation, and after that, you can try in auto correlation also. Okay.
Okay.
So very important concept is the correlation concept only. So because our major work will be scripting part, this is only see we are doing very small scripts, so that is why we are getting less number of dynamic values. Maybe in real time what will happen, we are doing for the many number of lines of code. So then it will generate for the number of dynamic values. So each and every dynamic value we need to correlate. So that is only it will take time. So that is why our major job will be doing correlation will be very important. So that is why you need to perfect this. Okay, once you done this, I will give for the different URLs, and you also do for the correlation parameterization every script. So correlation parameterization you are good, then you are good for the scripting. 75% is you are good for the scripting.
Can you please share this link in group?
Video, this link, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please take time as well as copy this. I'm sharing in a group. Okay, here. Please copy this. Got it? In chat window paste.
Okay.
Got it? Copy. It
Yeah.
will be close our call.
You got it.
Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow also, same time. And you guys will practice well. Now is the section for the practice your point of view only. Because my point of view, I will explain one only. But you need to practice more. Okay? You have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay? Thank you for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.